Guys.
Hi, everybody.
It's Andy and Jennifer Smith. He forgot his name.
I forget who we are. No,
Let's start over.
I'm Andy.
And I'm Jennifer. And we're the Smiths. So nice to see you on this Good Friday. And it really is Good Friday. In fact, Good Friday, let's talk about that. We have all faiths around the world coming together in fasting and prayer to put an end to this virus stuff, right? And to fast for the health and the safety of those heroes in the medical profession that have worked so hard around the clock to help us, and to fast for the normal life to come back, and also for the economy to recover quickly, right? And so it's really interesting because Good Friday actually traditionally in Christendom was a time of fasting, right? And so fasting and repentance. And so what a great...
So perfect. Today was perfect.
Great way to celebrate today by fasting and prayer.
The best Good Friday I've ever had. I'd have to say that. Interesting, I was just thinking about it and realized that this virus, the coronavirus, COVID-19, caused all of us, the people around the world, to separate. We have to move apart to stay safe.
Social distancing,
and
right?
So,
yeah.
But the thing that's going to fix that is us coming back together in a powerful way. That's how we defeat COVID-19, is not by letting it keep us apart, it's by coming together. And there's strength in that unity. And I started thinking about, gosh, are there like virus type things in your relationships that are causing you to separate? Same thing. I think this is a principle here that we can apply. Coming together. There's strength in unity, and coming together is what's going to fix the issues that are driving you apart. The unity will give you strength to overcome that in your relationships, just like it's going to do with the COVID-19. So it's interesting that tragedies, commonly, it's pretty well known that when there are challenges and tragedies, trials, people come together naturally and support and sustain each other. So uniting is really key.
However, sometimes when we have struggles and trials in our relationship, they don't bring us together. They cause chaos and frustration in our relationships, and we forget that we're a team, that we're supposed to be working together, not against each other, right? It's come together, not pushing each other away.
So we wanted to just talk about a couple of tips that would help us all be more united and get that strength from unity in our homes, in our families, with our spouse. And that was one of the things, is to realize that when we have something that's driving us apart, instead of being your fault, you're causing this in us, or she doing this, instead of blaming the other and saying the problem is there, say it is our problem and be unified and work on it together. There's one thing that can increase the unity in your relationships, is just say, if there's contention, if there's a problem, it's ours, not his or hers, it's ours, and work on it together as a team. And another thing that can help with building unity in your relationships is list out your individual strengths. What are my strengths? What are her strengths? We're actually going to spend some time this weekend doing that again. We've often talked about where we are strong in the things that we do, but we want some increased clarity and awareness right now, so we're going to go over that again ourselves. But list out where you're strong. What makes you strong as an individual, and what are you bringing to the team that will help? And I know that with us, you want to interrupt?
I was just going to say, sometimes those differences cause the friction.
So our strengths, we don't have the same strengths. So my strengths are not the same as hers. So we're different.
And so you're like, well, he's not like me. So
the very things that we want to identify and build upon sometimes are causing this because they're different. Different's not wrong. So we sometimes describe our relationship like a finely tuned sports car. Jennifer is the gas pedal or the accelerator, and I'm the brake, because one of my strengths is I think things through really, what is that word? Detailed, and I just
takes a while.
I'm going to look ahead. I'm going to foresee as much as I can,
yes.
And we're going to, before we make a decision and act, we're going to think through all of the scenarios. She gets an idea, and on her way to get started on accomplishing it, she's telling me, oh, by the way, I had this idea and I'm already halfway done with it now. She's quick. And so she's the gas pedal, I'm the brake. And when we're fully engaged, in playing to our strengths, do you know what it sounds like?
It's like, vroom, vroom, right? Like, no, let's go.
Anyway, not always a pretty sight or sound when we're both fully engaged, but we need to learn how to make those fine adjustments, get fine-tuned how we work together as a team, so that her quick decision and quick acting and my thinking things through can balance out, so that we both have a smoother operation and be that finely tuned, functioning sports car. So, what else?
I think that it's time to go have more Good Friday, right? So yeah, everybody have a good Friday. So have a good Friday.
Have a good Friday.
And be unified together.
Find the strength in unity. Yes. Makes Friday good.
Yeah. All right, catch you guys later. Bye.
Bye.